And we have new information tonight on a popular Chesapeake nightclub plagued with problems. It could have its liquor license banned. VA Live has been at the center of violence and ABC violations.
In December, there was a triple shooting outside the club. Then back in March, after a shooting in the parking lot, hundreds of residents signed a petition to close the business.
At that time, the owner, Bobby Parker, spoke exclusively to 10 on Your Side and told us VA Live isn't the problem. Crime in Chesapeake is the problem. Parker fired back with his own petition to keep his business open, but it may not matter.
The city of Chesapeake has now filed paperwork asking a judge to keep VA Live from being able to sell alcohol. 10 on Your Side's Brady Cummings picks up the story from there.
Police say someone shot 3 people outside of VA Live.
You've seen the stories.
We're working to learn more about a possible shooting around 11:45 last night at VA Live Entertainment.
Heard from nearby residents.
They really just need to take the license at this point.
That is now what the city of Chesapeake is asking a judge to do. Last month, the city attorney filed a petition for a temporary injunction. The petition lists 16 different things to support the case. VA Live owners got a license to sell alcohol 3 years ago. According to the petition, since then, there have been a, quote, frequent and serious pattern of unlawful, violent, and unseemly conduct inside and outside the building and on nearby properties. Several pages of police reports detail the crimes, including weapons offenses, assaults, and drug possession. 10 on Your Side has reported the state alcohol licensing agency has issued 2 warnings to VA Live. Police Chief Kelvin Wright even submitted an affidavit in the petition saying, quote, VA Live has allowed itself to become a meeting place for persons committing serious criminal violations of the law. There's a letter included from the owner of the nearby mobile home court. She says residents don't feel safe. Another resident explained her experiences in a letter describing parking problems, witnessing public urination, and drug activity.
As a father, I have to be a little bit concerned.
Jeff Simmons has lived behind the building 10 years. He's heard the loud music and says his neighbor's trailer once got hit by a stray bullet, but he has mixed feelings about what's happening there now.
What I would really like to see is them work it out.
So far, there's been no hearing date set yet on the petition. In Chesapeake, I'm Brady Cummings, 10 on Your Side.
And the attorney representing the owners of VA Live just told Brandy over the phone that he used to work for the Virginia Alcohol Licensing Board, and this situation does not justify such a drastic action of revoking a license. However, because his client doesn't have the money to fight it, the business will have to close.